Hi, I am Paulo Becerra, chef and owner of Post Grill. Today I have a corporate chef Salazar, and we are going to share some of our signature dishes.
Well, thank you for having us here today. We're going to share today with you 5 of our signature recipes here at Post Oak Grill. First of 5 that we want to start with is a combination of Atlantic salmon along with Big Eye Hawaiian tuna. And it's going to be a sashimi tuna terrine with salmon. And the first component that's going to go on the plate, as chef will actually execute the different items that go on the plate. First thing you want to do is put some baby arugula on the plate, center it on the plate, nice little bunch. And then we use a metal ring here at Post Oak Grill. You can use PVC pipe, metal rings, all that you can find at your local culinary store. And the first item that'll go at the base of the terrine will be the Atlantic salmon. We're going to give it a light toss first in a little bit of white truffle oil, which chef has just added to it, along with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. It's going to add a pinch of toasted sesame seeds, a pinch of black sesame seeds, some fresh grind black pepper, along with a little bit of kosher salt. It's going to give it a light toss, and then he'll pack it into the base of the terrine. It's important that you get it in tightly as you go from level to level, and you'll see with the finished product why that's necessary. But once you get it in, or spoon it in, you just give it a light little tap with the base of your spoon. The next item will be English cucumbers. And once again, you want to do the same thing. You want to give it a little bit of a toss and then slightly pack it on top of the Atlantic salmon. And keep in mind, this fish is totally raw. Next is the Big Eye Hawaiian tuna. We're going to do the same procedure that we did with the Atlantic salmon. We're going to hit it with a little bit of kosher salt. We're going to hit it with just a dab of white truffle oil and then a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You don't want one oil to dominate the other. It should be equal portions. Just a quick turn of the black pepper, a light toss, and then that goes into the ring next. And you can see that these oils really create a nice shine for the different fishes and vegetables that are going into this terrine. So once it gets lightly packed in, you use the base of your spoon to give it a little bit of a tap. This is where the tricky part comes in. You just want to lift your ring slightly to give it a little bit more height. We're going to take some fresh Mexico avocados and we're going to give them a little bit of a toss and a little bit of a kosher salt, fresh cracked black pepper, and then it's going to be the next component that goes in the ring. So once again, get it all in there. And we're probably looking at overall 4 ounces of Atlantic salmon, 4 ounces of the Big Eye tuna, along with a ½ an ounce of English cucumber, and then finally a ½ an ounce of the Mexican avocado. We're going to take some pickled ginger, which is a Japanese favorite when it comes to these type of dishes, and we're going to place it on top. And it's important to create a nice straight cylinder where one component is stacked on top of the other, because for the overall presentation it's pretty dramatic. And then we'll take once again a little bit of the toasted sesame seeds, a little bit of black sesame seeds, drizzle it around the entire plate along with a ginger soy sauce. Now, this is just basically soy sauce with a little fresh ginger that's been chopped, added to the soy sauce, which creates an infusion. And then we're going to take a little fresh chili oil, drizzle it around the plate. Creates a really nice illusion of multiple colors, textures, flavors. And I tell you, I wish you could smell this right now. Incredible. And then we just, once again, hit it with the toasted sesame seeds, black sesame seeds. And this is how we're going to finish off the dish here. We're going to go ahead and add 2 wedges of fresh lemons. The chef is demonstrating right now. And to finish off the dish, all we have to do now is take a little bit of wasabi powder, which is a Japanese horseradish that's been grounded into a powder, and we have to hydrate it. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of Jacob's Creek Chardonnay, But you give it a little bit of a stir until it's well incorporated, creates a paste. And what you want to do is take your Belgian endive leaf, set it off to the side, put maybe a couple of tablespoons inside. This stuff is very direct, very strong. So it just takes a little bit to make a huge impact. Draw a little bit down the middle, and then take a little bit of sesame seeds and black sesame seeds, and then our fresh rosemary, and garnish that off, and it is beautiful. You will not find this dish anywhere in the United States of America except at the Post Oak Grill in Houston, Texas.